In this figure it is given that is triangle PQR, in which angle P, that is angle QPR, equal to angle T, that is RTS. These two measures are given and they are equal. That means means angle QPR is equal to angle RTS. And among this triangle PQR, angle R is common to triangle STR and triangle PQR. Then we can say that by AAA similarity, the triangle PQR and triangle TSR are similar, or we can rearrange it as triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS. Since in triangle PQR, angle P equal to angle T and angle R is common, so by AAA similarity, triangle RTS similar to triangle RPQ. Then question number 7. Here given triangle ABC and DE is a line segment which is passes on the side AB and AC. And it is given that triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD. Here the red shaded part is triangle ABE and triangle ACD. Here triangle ACD is violet color and triangle ABE is a red color. They are congruent. Then we can say that AB is equal to AC and AD equal to AE and BE equal to CD. Since these two triangles are congruent, corresponding sides are equal. AB equal to AC, AD equal to AE and the side BE equal to CD. Then in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Then we can say that these angles, angle B and angle C, are equal. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal and it becomes an isosceles triangle. Therefore angle B equal to angle C. And also in triangle ADE, AD equal to AE. Then angle D, that is angle ADE, equal to angle AED. ADE equal to AED. But here angle AEB equal to ADC and EDC equal to DEC. AEB equal to ADC. Here AEB equal to ADC. AEB equal to ADC. Since these two angles are equal, that is angle ADE and angle AED are equal, that means the two sides, that is angle EDC and angle DEB, these two angles are equal. Here AB equal to AC and AD equal to AE. Therefore we can write DB equal to AC. Since AB equal to AC among triangle ABC and ADE, AD equal to AE. Then if we are subtracting AD from AB, that is AB minus AD equal to AC minus AE. Then what is AB minus AD? that is DB. So DB is equal to EC. Then AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Since AD is equal to AE, DB equal to EC, so AD by DB equal to AE by EC. From converse of basic proportionality theorem, we can say that DE parallel to BC, that is angle ADE equal to angle ABC. In that figure, angle ADE, since DE parallel to BC, angle ADE and angle ABC are equal.